Hello everyone, this is BronyCalc, and I'm here from my dorm to bring you part 1 of what I have decided to call Parity Quest. Now, for those of you who didn't see the blog post, or the title, yes, that is Parity as in P-A-R-I-T-Y. Now, if you know anything about parity, it's going to break down to these two concepts. One, parity means odd or even. Okay, that's pretty simple. There's nothing really to argue with there. But the second one is that parity is only defined for integers. And for that, I just have to wonder, why? Why do we limit ourselves to integer values when we're talking about parity? What if, and hear me out here, we try to extend it to every single value in existence? What if I ask for the parity of I, or pi, or phi? Could I come up with an answer for each and every one of these? The truth may surprise you. Anyways, moving off from the vague stuff, it's time to open up the introduction to Parity Quest. We shall begin by using this video to establish the rules of Parity Quest. First off, everything for now is going to be odd or even. And we're going to play around with these and see what happens. For example, just consider addition. Odd, even, odd, even. Obviously, an odd plus an odd is an even and odd add to odd, even is even. Okay, so far so good. Moving on to multiplication. Odd, even, odd, even. Odd times odd is odd, and everything else is even. So, these appear to be some nice and basic rules we can use to derive everything else. But that's kind of a boring way to end off the first video, especially the short end. So, how about we play around a little more? What if we jumped over to arrow notation? Now, for those of you wondering what arrow notation is, basically A arrow, B is just A to the power of B. So, for A arrow B, if we have odd, even, this is going to be A, this is going to be B. So an odd to the power of an odd is an odd. An odd to the power of even is also odd. Even to the power of odd is even to the power of even is even. So, that was also kind of boring. But, this does give us the ground rules we need to proceed in every other video. So, now we know what we're doing, we can set the format for every video. I'm going to start off by asking a simple question. For example, is, I don't know, some arbitrary number x odd or even? We're going to figure out the answer, then we're going to extend it, and then we're going to see if it still makes sense. And believe me, crazy things are going to happen, and you are going to hear words you did not expect to hear today. Like odds add to evens and Steve. Lots and lots of Steve. On that note, I am BronyCalc, and I will see you all next time.